In the world of project management, accurate project estimation is paramount. It serves as the foundation upon which successful projects are built. Without a clear understanding of the project's scope, timeline, and budget, projects can quickly spiral out of control, leading to delays, cost overruns, and ultimately, project failure. Effective project estimation is not merely a task to be checked off a list. It is an ongoing process that requires careful consideration, collaboration, and a deep understanding of the project's intricacies. Project estimation involves much more than simply assigning arbitrary numbers to tasks. It necessitates a thorough analysis of all project elements, including the resources required, the potential risks involved, and the time needed to complete each phase. A well-crafted project estimate provides a roadmap for project managers, enabling them to make informed decisions, allocate resources effectively, and track progress against predetermined benchmarks. In essence, a solid project estimate is the compass that guides the project toward successful completion. Project estimation encompasses several key components, each playing a crucial role in shaping the project's trajectory. These components, namely cost, resources, duration, and risk, form the foundation of a comprehensive project estimate. By carefully analyzing and quantifying each of these elements, project managers gain a holistic understanding of the project's requirements and potential challenges. Cost estimation involves determining the financial resources needed to execute the project successfully. This includes not only the direct costs associated with labor, materials, and equipment, but also indirect costs such as administrative expenses, overhead, and contingency reserves. Accurate cost estimation ensures that the project is financially viable and that sufficient funds are available to cover all project-related expenses. Resource estimation focuses on identifying and quantifying the resources required to complete the project. This encompasses human resources, such as the number of team members and their skill sets, as well as physical resources, including equipment, software, and facilities. Duration estimation involves determining the time required to complete each project phase and the overall project timeline. This requires a thorough understanding of the project scope, the complexity of the tasks involved, and the dependencies between various project activities. Accurate duration estimation enables project managers to set realistic deadlines, manage stakeholder expectations, and ensure timely project completion. Finally, risk estimation involves identifying and assessing potential risks that could impact the project's success. This includes analyzing the likelihood of each risk occurring, the potential impact of the risk on the project, and developing mitigation strategies to minimize the impact of risks. Several estimation techniques can be employed to develop accurate project estimates. These techniques, namely analogous, parametric, and bottom-up estimation, provide different approaches to quantifying project elements. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each technique allows project managers to select the most appropriate method based on the project's characteristics and available data. Analogous estimation, also known as top-down estimation, involves using historical data from similar projects to estimate the current project's parameters. This approach is particularly useful when limited project information is available in the early stages. By leveraging past experiences, project managers can quickly generate rough estimates for cost, duration, and resources. However, analogous estimation relies on the assumption that the current project is sufficiently similar to previous projects, which may not always hold true. Parametric estimation utilizes statistical relationships between historical data and project variables to estimate project parameters. This technique is most effective when a significant amount of historical data is available and a clear correlation exists between project variables and the parameters being estimated. Parametric estimation offers greater accuracy than analogous estimation, but requires more time and effort to develop and validate the statistical models. Bottom-up estimation, also known as detailed estimation, involves breaking down the project into smaller, more manageable work packages and estimating each package individually. These individual estimates are then aggregated to arrive at the overall project estimate. Bottom-up estimation is considered the most accurate technique as it accounts for the specific details of each project task. While estimation techniques provide valuable tools for quantifying project elements, expert judgment remains an indispensable aspect of the estimation process. Expert judgment involves leveraging the knowledge, experience, and insights of individuals with specialized expertise in relevant areas. By incorporating expert opinions, project managers can refine estimates, validate assumptions, and account for factors that may not be easily quantifiable. Experts can provide valuable perspectives on the complexity of tasks, the availability and skill sets of resources, potential risks and mitigation strategies, and the overall feasibility of the project. Their insights can help identify potential roadblocks, assess the accuracy of estimates, and adjust estimates based on real-world experience. Expert judgment is particularly crucial in situations where historical data is limited, project requirements are complex, or innovative solutions are being implemented. Involving experts in the estimation process not only enhances the accuracy of estimates, but also fosters a sense of ownership and accountability among team members. When experts contribute their knowledge and insights, they become more invested in the project's success, leading to greater collaboration and a shared understanding of the project's goals and challenges. Expert judgment should not be viewed as a substitute for estimation techniques, but rather as a complementary approach that strengthens the overall estimation process. Section 5. Estimation, the roadmap to effective project planning. Accurate project estimation forms the bedrock of effective project planning. It provides the necessary information to develop a comprehensive project plan that outlines the project's scope, schedule, budget, and resources. By establishing a clear understanding of the project's requirements, project managers can define project activities, sequence tasks, allocate resources, and set realistic deadlines. A well-defined project plan, guided by accurate estimates, serves as a roadmap for the project team, enabling them to track progress, identify potential deviations from the plan, and take corrective actions to keep the project on track. Estimation also plays a crucial role in resource allocation. By accurately estimating the resources required for each project activity, project managers can ensure that the necessary resources are available at the right time and in the right quantities. This minimizes delays, prevents resource bottlenecks, and optimizes resource utilization throughout the project lifecycle. Furthermore, estimation provides the basis for developing a realistic project budget. Accurate cost estimates enable project managers to allocate funds effectively, track expenditures, and manage cash flow to ensure that the project stays within budget. By establishing a clear budget framework based on reliable estimates, project managers can monitor financial performance, identify potential cost overruns, and implement cost-saving measures to mitigate financial risks. Section 6. Navigating risk with accurate estimations. Project estimation plays a vital role in risk management by providing insights into potential risks and their potential impact on the project. Accurate estimates for cost, duration, and resources enable project managers to assess the likelihood and severity of various risks, prioritize risks based on their potential impact, and develop appropriate mitigation strategies. By understanding the project's vulnerabilities, project managers can proactively address risks, minimizing their negative consequences and maximizing the chances of project success. For instance, if cost estimates indicate a high probability of budget overruns, project managers can explore cost-saving measures, negotiate with vendors for better pricing, or adjust the project scope to reduce costs. Similarly, if duration estimates suggest potential delays, project managers can identify critical path activities, allocate additional resources to expedite critical tasks, or adjust the project schedule to accommodate potential setbacks. Accurate estimations also empower project managers to allocate contingency reserves for unforeseen circumstances. Contingency reserves are funds or time buffers set aside to address unexpected events or risks that materialize during the project. By incorporating contingency reserves into the project budget and schedule, project managers can absorb the impact of unforeseen events without derailing the project. This provides a safety net to manage risks and ensure that the project can withstand unexpected challenges. Section 7. The challenges of estimation, uncertainty, complexity, and changing requirements. While project estimation is essential for project success, it is not without its challenges. Several factors can impede the accuracy and reliability of estimates, including uncertainty, complexity, and changing requirements. Project managers must be aware of these challenges and adopt strategies to mitigate their impact on the estimation process. Uncertainty is inherent in most projects, particularly in the early stages when project information is limited. Assumptions about project scope, technology, resource availability, and external factors can significantly influence estimates. As the project progresses and more information becomes available, estimates need to be refined and adjusted to reflect the evolving understanding of the project. Complexity arises from the intricate interdependencies between project activities, the technical challenges involved, and the number of stakeholders involved. The more complex the project, the more difficult it becomes to accurately estimate the effort, time, and resources required. Changing requirements pose another significant challenge to project estimation. As projects evolve, stakeholders may request changes to the project scope, functionality, or deliverables. These changes can invalidate initial estimates, requiring project managers to reassess the project scope, adjust estimates, and manage the impact of changes on the project schedule and budget. Section 8. Conclusion. Estimation as the key to project success. In conclusion, project estimation is an indispensable element of successful project management. It provides the foundation for planning, decision-making, risk management, and ultimately, achieving project objectives. By carefully analyzing project requirements, leveraging appropriate estimation techniques, and incorporating expert judgment, project managers can develop accurate and reliable estimates that guide the project towards successful completion. While challenges such as uncertainty, complexity, and changing requirements can impede the estimation process, project managers can mitigate these challenges by adopting a structured approach to estimation involving experts, refining estimates as more information becomes available, and implementing robust risk management strategies. Mastering the art of project estimation empowers project managers to navigate the complexities of projects, anticipate potential roadblocks, and make informed decisions that lead to successful project outcomes. In essence, project estimation is not merely a task to be completed, but a continuous process that requires diligence, collaboration, and a deep understanding of the project's nuances. By embracing the principles of accurate and reliable estimation, project managers can lay the groundwork for project success, ensuring that projects are delivered on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of all stakeholders.